Hey there, are you thinking about investing your hard-earned money? If so, you might want to think twice before making some of the most common investing mistakes. In this video, we're going to share with you 7 common investing mistakes to avoid, as recommended by experts. The first mistake that many investors make is having unrealistic expectations. If you're investing to get rich quick, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. The stock market goes up and down, but over the long term, it tends to go up. So be patient and set realistic investment goals. The second mistake is not diversifying your portfolio. Putting all of your money into one stock or sector can spell disaster in the event of a downturn. Instead, spread your investments across different industries and sectors. The third mistake is trying to time the market. Many investors try to predict when the market will go up or down and make investment decisions based on those predictions. However, it's nearly impossible to time the market, and you might miss out on potential gains if you wait too long. The fourth mistake is not doing your research. Investing requires research and due diligence. Before investing in a company, make sure you research its financials, management team, and competitive landscape. The fifth mistake is letting emotions dictate investment decisions. Fear and greed can cause investors to make irrational decisions. Instead, focus on the long term and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. The sixth mistake is not adjusting your portfolio as you age. As you get older, your investment goals and risk tolerance may change. Make sure you adjust your portfolio accordingly and rebalance it periodically. The seventh and final mistake is not seeking professional advice when needed. If you're not sure about an investment decision, seek advice from a financial advisor or professional. In conclusion, investing can be a great way to build wealth, but it requires careful consideration and research. These 7 investing mistakes are common, but by avoiding them, you can increase your chances of success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post 2 videos every day for free, so you don't want to miss out.